Hey guys, so today I'm back with my son JJ. Say hello, JJ.
Hi.
Yeah, so as you can see, guys, his hair is a mess right now. You know, this lockdown time, and as you can see, he's got the kinkiest falsy hair. As you can see, he's got thick hair. I wish I had hair like his. So usually I do maintain the top of his hair like in twists, as you can see, but you know, he wants some cornrows today. We'll see what we can do, and I'm just gonna shave the sides myself. I usually don't take my kids to the barber shop anyway. Like, I've never taken my boys to the barber shop. It's only the eldest who's not going to the barber shop because he's in high school, so I wanted to look good. But you know, I just have a thing for, like, going to the barber. Like, I just have this phobia taking my kids there. So my kids literally have never been to the barber before, and you can see his hair, you guys. I did not tint it or do anything to it. He's got lots of ginger hair, so yeah, that's just what his hair looks like. So we're just gonna go ahead and give this hair a little bit of a wash and blow dry it. I won't be showing you all the steps, you guys. I will come back and show you guys how I trim and, you know, maintain his hair. Probably show you how I cornrow it just a little bit. Okay, so see you guys soon. Alright guys, so we've just finished washing and blow drying his hair. So this is what his hair looks like. He's got nice thick hair. Can you imagine? This look like my whole head, like how thick my whole hair is. Like, oh my god. Okay, just gonna use the Remington clippers. So guys, we have finished trimming off all the sides. Like, seriously, I'm not a barber. I just have to do what I can. Okay, as you can see, it looks much more neater. I'm just trying. Okay, I'm not gonna take my kids to the barber shop. Like, seriously, it's not gonna happen. So if any of you is stranded, like you've got the kids at home and they're thinking, how are we gonna do this, you guys can do that. Okay, you can easily trim off your baby's or your kids hair. Look how thick and grown his hair is. Like, I've been growing his hair for, like, is it a year or 2 years now, a year and a half or something like that, but he's got some nice thick fro. Okay guys, I'm just finishing off doing his cornrows. Like I told you, he wanted cornrows this time, not twists. We usually keep the hair in twists. We just did some cornrows, but he is a very tender head person, so you know, I'm not grabbing tightly. Like, it's not that neat. Even the parts, it hurts him just to separate the hair. So, you know, excuse that it doesn't look as professional as you might expect. But yeah, yeah, as you can see, I did leave a lot of hair at the bottom so that it's not too tight, because he's tender headed. Okay, he's not like me. So what we've been using, you guys, we've been using the Duck's beeswax. This is what we usually use anyway when we are doing his twists. Yeah, that's what we normally use. So I'm just using that just to grease the hair. Okay, So guys, we just finished doing his hair, and these are his cornrows, and this is like how we maintain his hair at home. You know, don't get stuck, you guys, indoors, and you can do this, guys. If you're just trimming the hair, you can trim it the way we did. It's easy, it's simple. You don't really need to go to the barber shop like with everything that's going on right now, like at the moment. So we can actually keep it like this for at least, you know, 2 to 3 weeks, and then, you know, redo it again, like shampoo the hair, everything like that. But as you can see, his hair looks nice and neat. This is what the hair looks like at the back. It looks absolutely nice and neater. And you know, make sure you go and check out JJ's channel. He's got a channel, he's into gaming, so I'm gonna leave his channel's name somewhere right here so you guys can go and check him out. Like, seriously, yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. See you later. Bye.